Hey guys, sorry there's no intro, but I had to shoot another video right after this. But to prime my face, I am using the Professional by Benefit, and to prime my eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and Neutralizer, and I'm going to be blending that in with a beauty blender, and I'm being extra gentle with the eyes. But after I blend both of my eyes in, I'm going to set my eyes with the Airspun Translucent Powder, and I'm going to use my fingers to set it. But next I'm going in with the NYX Bright palette, and I'm going in with that yellow, and what I do is I focus it in the crease, and whatever is left, that's what I blend up. But as you guys will see, I go little by little. I pack on the color little by little, so as you guys will see in each clip, it gets more intensified. But again, I just go in little by little, making sure that whatever gets blended up is whatever is left on the brush. And next I go in into the same palette and take the yellow and the orangey yellow that's right next to it, and I just blend it in and pack it in, and I go little by little. Again, I do the exact same steps, I just do it over and over again. Now I'm taking a longer blending brush, just making sure that everything is really nice and blended. I really like to make sure it is. And then again, I go in with a Wet n Wild brush, but now I'm going in with an orange. And the orange, I focus it really in the crease, and I don't care if it gets too much on the lid because it won't really matter. But then after I do that, I go back in again with a yellow, making sure that everything is really nice and blended. I am very specific about it. Then I go in with an EcoTools blending brush, it's more denser, and just make sure that orange is really nice and packed in there. Again, I'm going back into the NYX palette, and I'm taking that really bright pink, and that's going to be my lid color. Again, I do the same thing with this color. I make sure that I go little by little, packing it on, and then once I'm satisfied with how intense it is, I will go in again with a blending brush. So as you guys can see right now, I'm still packing it in, but I'm gonna go back in with that Wet n Wild blending brush, making sure that the orange is nice and blended, and then I'll go in again with the yellow on another blending brush, making sure everything is nice and blended. I can't just walk away from it blending it. Next, I'm going in with foundation, and the one that I use is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in 757. And I just make sure I put that all over the skin, and I'm gonna blend it in with a beauty blender. I just like to get that airbrushed finish. And yeah, so sometimes when you jam, this happens. And now I'm going in with the Age Rewind Concealer in Neutralizer. Again, I highlight with this. I highlight under my eyes, I highlight my chin, my nose, and my forehead. That way my eyes aren't the only thing that like sticks out. And then I go in with concealing my forehead. I have a really big forehead, so I conceal a lot. You know, a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. But the concealer that I use is the Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso, and I just, I contour, you know, my cheeks, my temples, and my forehead. Again, I blend it all in with a beauty blender. Again, I like to blend in first the light concealer, and then I do my contour. I think it's just what's best. That's what best fits me, and I feel like that's what gives me the best results. And then I go in again with translucent powder from Airspun, and I bake my under eye area. Again, I love to bake. I bake everywhere. But then I use my contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade light to medium, and I do that while I bake. So after I finish contouring, I blend away all my baking powder, I guess you can say. I just blend it away, but I make sure I blend it into the skin as well. I don't just brush it away. And now I'm gonna go in with my brows. So what I go in is Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, and what I do is outline the bottom, and then I outline the top, and then I just fill it in. And I also use the spoolie to make it can give me a natural yet bold looking brow. Next, I'm going in with highlighter. I'm going in with the Baked Girl highlighter in 102 Twilight, and this is a face that I make every single time that I use this highlight. I freaking love this highlight. Like, I feel like I can blind somebody with it. But I highlight my chin, my nose, my cheeks, and my above my brows. Again, and then I go in with the NYX, the same palette, and I go in with a blue. I pack this blue under my lash line, and I just make sure that it's nice and blended. So I use a blending side as well. And if you guys can't tell right now, or can't tell by now, it's more of like a sunset looking look. That's why I'm putting blue on the bottom. And then I'm going to go in with a purple, the same purple from the same palette. And I'm putting that as close to the lash line as possible. As you guys can see, I get pretty scared. I blink a lot. But I want it as close to the lash line as possible. And again, blending it out later on. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in with my signature inner highlight from the 35O palette. I'm not ready to reveal that yet. Sorry, guys. And then I'm going to go in lining my lips. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie lipstick, lipstick in the shade Grain Debut. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this sunset makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, please subscribe to my channel, and please hit those notification bells. That way whenever I get uploaded, you guys will be notified. And thank you guys for watching.
It'll make sense.
I made you blind, but you...